Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jito token. Now the Jito token just got listed today on a very big central exchange. It's already open for trading. We're going to go over the information on the Jito token, ticker symbol JTO, in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it's just announced that the Jito Foundation token, ticker symbol JTO, will be listed, or is listed already, starting today, December 7th. It just got listed at 16 hours UTC time today, December 7th, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search JTO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. According to their Sol scan, right now they only have 48 holders, very brand new project. Current supply of this token is, I'm assuming it's a deflationary token. It started out as 1 billion, and right now it's 999,999,999 tokens, and there is 9 decimal places on this token. You can find the contract address on the Sol scan there. You would just search JTO. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there. And it says, earn MEV rewards through Jito's Solana liquid staking pool. 37,800 Twitter followers. Doing very well. Blue verified checkmark. Over 1,200 tweets at Jito underscore SOL for Solana. And then they have a link to their webpage, jito.network. But you can also go to jito.network/staking if you want to get involved with the staking. So just recently they also tweeted December 6th, the JTO Airdrop claim opens tomorrow. So for anybody who is involved with that, tomorrow would be today, which is December 7th. And it says that was available 11 a.m. Eastern time, and that's when that should be available now for anybody who needs to claim their tokens. They're saying that is available. Now, on their webpage, you can find tons of links. There's frequently asked questions, a link to their airdrop, DeFi Stats, governance, stake now, and it says MEV powered staking rewards. And they have, they're not listed yet, but eventually they're going to have total value locked, annual percentage yield, and holders. Those will all pop up on the screen. So Mexc Global says the JTO token is the governance token of the Jito network, a service provider of Solana liquidity staking with an open source Solana validator client, allowing stakers to earn Solana staking rewards and capture MEV via MEV software suite. So yeah, it says the total supply was 1 billion. And then, if you want to find their webpage, jito.network. On their webpage, it says, Jito has a great approach to maximize the benefits of MEV to the network while minimizing its negative externalities. And that is a quote from their CEO the CEO of actually Solana Labs, Anatoly. And it says, stay connected with Jito and you can subscribe to a newsletter. Why staking with us helps you. Number one, unlock liquidity on your staked Solana to use across DeFi. Always keep custody of your funds. Stake the first MEV-powered stake pool. So why staking with us helps the network. So Jito's software enables Solana to run more efficiently and earn MEV rewards. The Jito stake pool helps decentralize Solana by spreading stake across the networks. And staking with Jito's stake pool encourages validators to redistribute MEV profits. So they're going to have number of validators, number of stakers in the pool, total value locked in the pool. How it works, you stake your SOL and earn with us additional MEV rewards. Deposit SOL into the pool and receive a Jito SOL. Number two, the Jito stake pool delegates your SOL to a MEV-enabled validators. Number three, those validators auction off block space and receive MEV rewards. Number four, these MEV rewards are redistributed to the stake pool as extra APY. Number five, your Jito SOL accrues MEV rewards in addition to staking rewards. And then you can earn boosted rewards now and click stake now. At the very bottom of their webpage, they have a lot of links. So they have full governance documents. They have Jito SOL documents, disclaimers, blogs, referrals, frequently asked questions, points, home section, privacy, links, management, utilities. Now I clicked on one of their the governance document, and it says here they go over the Constitution of the Jito Foundation, bylaws of the Jito Foundation, amended and restated memorandum of the association, and then it says on this page they go through proposal drafting, proposal submission, discussion, voting, governance procedures, community discussion. It just goes on and on and on, and there's tons of information about this DAO if you want to get involved with that. They have huge documentation about that. But yeah, if you're involved with the airdrop, you want to claim your airdrops, you could do that now. This token just went live on Mexc Global, and I think they just made another announcement too on Mexc about maybe it might be in the futures section already too. Let's see what this says. Yeah, so JTO USDT futures is now live on Mexc futures. Trade to share a 10,000 USDT futures bonus. So a lot of people I know are interested in futures and do that a lot because they leave comments about it and you know we discuss it sometimes in the comment section, things like that. So it says supports adjustable leverage of up to 10 times for the JTO token right now. And then they have that bonus pool right now because this is a brand new token in the futures section. Now, if you've never traded futures before, it's like crypto, but even more volatile. You're basically, guessing whether the token's going to go up or down by shorting or longing the token. But, it's way more complicated than that. There's stop losses. There's all sorts of features that you should know about before even thinking about trading futures. Very complicated, very volatile. And, do your own research and look up tons of tutorial videos before trying that out. But anyways, always do your own research anyways on anything, especially new tokens, especially, whatever. So let me know in the comments. I am not a financial advisor. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.